what's the difference between that little handheld blue light and the laser light you use?
Cheaper is not always better, and you have to be careful with some of the whitening systems that are at home. The reason being is because I know this from experience. You can buy a light that seems to work properly, but the problem is this, and you'll notice this, is that your 2 front teeth, maybe 4 front teeth, will be whiter than the rest of your teeth because of how the light is set up. You have to be careful about what you're buying it online, guys. Make sure that you're very, very well informed about what you're buying before you buy it. Our whitening machine is unique in the way that, number one, we can whiten all the way back to your molars if we want to. Do we generally? Not typically. We like to smile what's in your natural smile line, but we do have that capability. The other reason being is that it is halogen, it's laser, and it's UV, which means that your teeth are not going to be overly sensitive. More importantly, they're not going to be damaged. You really, really have to be careful on where you go to get your teeth whitened. Just because it whitens teeth doesn't mean it's the best. You can actually have a light used on you that's going to make your teeth more sensitive, and it may not go away, and that's the last thing we want. And it's not worth it if it's uncomfortable or it has long-lasting damages. You want to make sure that you actually have someone who is a specialist, specializes in teeth whitening. It's such an important thing. These are your teeth. You have to take care of them. Make sure you're going to someone who is using the right products on your teeth. It's not going to make them sensitive. It's not going to keep them sensitive. Make sure you're going to someone who really, really has an extended history in whitening teeth.